Welcome back, everybody. Happy Friday. Thank you so much for watching. If you did not watch my video yesterday, I got my hats into an event yesterday and I actually sold one, which was really cool. I wasn't able to really be there for very long, but from what I saw, I sold one hat, which was amazing. If you're confused and you don't know who I am, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur and I make day in the life vlogs every single day of my ups and downs in business until I hit $30,000 a month. And at the very end of every single video, I go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. So that's what I do. So today's gonna be pretty fun. We're gonna do customer orders and then we're also gonna be making some new hats. I am giving out a few to a few friends that are noticed around the local SoCal area and I want people to notice them. I also have another hat sale that's gonna be for tomorrow's revenue. So if you wanna see that, subscribe down below. And then also I will have the hat sale from yesterday that I'll put in this video. So very cool, very exciting. I am glad things are moving and rolling. Also, in saying that, we are doing a giveaway on these hats. The details are down below in the description. So if you want a free Coastal Cowboy hat, link is in the description. So let's get to the video. Let's get these customer orders out and let's get these hats going, baby. Let's roll. So I've printed out the orders. Let's get these laminated, cut, and sent to the customers. Orders are done. Let's get these packaged up in some envelopes and get them sent out. All right, y'all, orders are done. Now we're gonna be doing some hats because we're gonna be giving them away to my really good friends. Also, my mailman, he's out there right now, so I gotta get these done ASAP so I can give him these, and I can also give him one of these. So. So we are getting this hat out to a customer and I'm also gonna throw in a few stickers right now. So let's go make some stickers really quick. All right, so I think I need to stop for today. Things are not working out. This mat is not cutting out my stickers properly for my Coastal Cowboy stickers and they keep messing up. Also, my Shopify won't let me make shipping labels because my account's under review. Just super frustrating things that I cannot control right now. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go surf. All right, so I just gave a hat to my buddy Mick, the mailman. He is super pumped. He got a green one. Everyone wants a green one, and I'm almost out of green, so this is kind of gnarly. I got a navy blue here, a brown, and a green for some friends. So we are done with that. We are done with customer orders. So now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $5.46, so pretty bad. We made $273 yesterday, which was higher than usual for this week. And then we added $40 from the hat sale yesterday, so we made $319 yesterday in revenue. So now we're at $6,000 this month. You know, we want to hit 30. So if you guys are curious and are interested in watching me hit $30,000 a month, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit that. Also, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so more people can find my videos like yourselves. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.